sing praises to your name, oh Lord. Praises to your name, oh Lord. If I give my heart to you, will you handle it with care? Will you always treat me tenderly and in every way be fair? If I give my heart to you, will you give me all you love? Will you swear that you'll be true to me by the light that shines above? And will you sigh with me when I'm sad? Smile with me when I'm glad.
Wisdom field.
Mapagmahal.
Bait na tit.
Mapagbigay.
A very sweet and huggable tita.
Maasikaso.
Sa totoo lang po, hindi enough yung 1 or 2 words to describe tita. Pero pinili ko yung word na mapagmahal kasi it encompasses everything. Mapagmahal si tita kaya nagiging maalagain siya. Nagiging maunawain, nagiging maasikaso, at si tita, kino-correct ka rin niya in a gentle way. At talagang mararamdaman mo kay tita na love ka niya.
Para po sa akin, si Tita Net po ay wisdom filled o punong-puno po siya ng wisdom. Kasi po, alam kong through the years of her experiences na rin na inalaw ng Lord, and syempre kasama rin ng Lord dun sa mga time na yun, nakakapagbigay po siya ng mga tamang salita rin sa ibang tao kapag po sa mga sharing time, sa mga taong nakikinig po sa kanya. At nakaka-inspire po yung pag-navigate ni Tita through different situations na nakikita ko pong swiftly and gracefully through the help of the Lord.
Nung bata po ako, na-experience ko na mabigay ni Tita Net ng 300 pesos para makapagsimulang mag-ipon. Yun daw po yung jump start ko, na puro barya yun. And that time po, na-realize ko, pagtanda, na-realize ko na isa yun sa mga traits ni Tita, ni Ninang Net, na masasabi ko na giver siya. At pag nagpupunta po kami ng Mandaluyong, palagi siyang nagagalit. Kaya Tita, dapat po palagi kayo nagagalit kasi pag nagagalit daw kayo, always kayong nandilibre. At hindi lang po siya mapagbigay, minsan siya rin po ay nagpapabigay. Kaya si LSF Global Family, it's giving time!
Tita Nenet, I've known her of course since childhood, and ang pinaka gusto ko about sa kanya is she's very gentle when talking to us, and she makes it sound so she makes everything sound okay. Pag merong mga nangyayari sa paligid, marunong siyang maging kalma at pakalmahin ka rin. So, yun yung na-appreciate ko kay Tita Nenet, and she has always been sweet to me.
Describe ko po si Tita Net na maasikaso. First na impression ko po sa kanya, Pero ang naalala ko po sa kanya is nami-meet ko po siya during family camp. Nakikita ko po kasi kung gaano siya yung ka-busy during family camps. So yun. Then yung pag ina-approach ka niya, yung napaka-welcoming. Tsaka tinatanong niya kung ano yung need, yung mga needs nyo, kung ano yung kailangan, kung saan room naka-assign, or kung ano yung mga needs specific sa mga rooms yun.
Motherly sister.
Amiable.
Naturally mabait. Conscientious worker.
My best friend.
Super generous. Very thoughtful. Peacemaker.
Ikaw ang pinakamabait. Ikaw din ang pinaka-cute. At ikaw din ang pinakamagaling mag-handle ng pera na mana mo kay nanay, nakuha mo kay nanay.
If you still want me, if you still want me, we'll tie a yellow ribbon around the old tree. It's been 3 long years. Do you still want me? If I don't see a ribbon around the old tree, I'll stay on the bus, forget about us, put the blame on me. If I don't see a yellow ribbon around the old tree. Bus driver, please look for me, 'cause I couldn't bear to see what I might see. I'm really still in prison, and my love, she holds the key. A simple yellow.
Si Dichi Bacamo. She is the kind of person who knows what sacrificial love really means. Dichi ko yan.
Si Diche ay very approachable, friendly, at isa sa mga unang babaeng nakapalagayan ko ng loob sa Jesus People noong 1980.
Si Dicheng, she's like my second nana.
I'll stay on the bus, forget about us, put the blame on me.
She's truly a peacemaker. Because when there are arguments in the family, she always listens and gives good counsel to both parties, hoping for a reconciliation each time. Kalmado lang siya. Even when I argue with her, never na nagtaas siya ng boses. Cool lang and pasensyosa.
Lagi ko siyang kasama sa ups and downs ng buhay ko.
Rich, mabait yung kapatid ko yan. Able to develop deep, intimate, long-lasting friendships. Marami siyang best friend.
Diche, maraming salamat. Ikaw ang firstborn spiritually. Ikaw ang unang na-born again. Nasundan ni ate na sumunod sa pagsunod mo kay Lord. Tapos sunod-sunod na kami. Dahil sa iyong faithfulness, lahat tayo ngayon, pati tatay at nanay ng buhay pa, lahat kami magkakapatid, pati hipag at bayaw, pati mga pamangkin, born again na. Thank you, Diche!
Selfless.
Unconditional love.
Mother.
Unconditional love, yan yung meron si Mama for us. We are not the perfect son or the perfect daughter. Meron din kaming kanya-kanyang kanya-kanyang reasons para magalit sila Mama and si Papa sa amin. But yung love nila, sobrang unconditional.
Is now coming true, especially for me.
They really taught us how to really differentiate yung yung sin from the sinner or yung sa ginawa mo and kung sino ka talaga. And nakita ko kay Mama yung unconditional faith niya sa Lord and trust and love niya sa Lord na kahit saan or kahit anuman yung pinagdadaanan, nandun pa rin yung faith, yung love, yung trust niya sa Lord. And yun yung talagang napapakita niya sa amin and natuturo sa amin mula nung bata pa kami hanggang ngayon.
Bilang nanay, growing up, I've seen how yung inuuna niya palagi kami ni ate, kami nila papa, instead of her.
In the leaves on the trees and the church.
Mas bibili yung mga kailangan namin instead yung mga bagay na gusto niya. Even sa ibang tao, ganun din. So, hanggat kaya niyang tumutulong si Mama. That's why I can describe her as selfless.
Mother. Yan po ang word na madedescribe ko kay Mama Net because it encompasses all the qualities of a Proverbs 31 woman. Sabi nga po sa definition ng mother, it is a female parent who is loving, caring, nurturing, strong, intuitive, compassionate, and even makes sacrifices for her family.
You've been around, your love's put me at the top of the world.
Mama Net, hindi lang po siya ganoon sa kanyang pamilya, but she is also like that to all of her spiritual children. And I can definitely say that Mama Net is not just a mother-in-law to me. She is a mother to me. Oh.
Such feelings coming over me. There's wonders every time I love you, Mama. Not a cloud in the sky, got the sun in my eyes, and I won't be surprised if it's a dream. Everything I want the world to be is now coming true, especially for me. And the reason is clear, it's because you are me. You're the nearest thing to heaven that I've seen. I'm on top of the world. Happy birthday, Mama. Down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love I've found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top.
Happy birthday, Mama. Go! I love you, Mama. 17. Love you. I love you.
Something.
How can I say thanks for the things you've done for me? Things so undeserved, yet you gave to prove your love to me. The voices of a million angels could not express my gratitude. All that I am and ever hope to be, I owe it all to thee. and let it be pleasing, Lord, to thee. And should I gain any praise, let it go to
Your name is the highest, your name is the greatest, your name stands above them all thrones and dominions, all powers and positions, your name stands above them all.
Freshly picked.
Tapos si ate niya to. Namimitas po kami ngayon ng apple dito sa...
Yes, my dream come true 20 years ago.
Tingnan niyo po yung ano, mga apple. Dami. Yeah, mama.
Sila kuya.
Sige, pick upin mo.